Section 6.9, Expansion of Water. So you already know that water behaves differently than most other substances, and that holds true for the way that water expands as well. Like most other substances, water expands when it's heated unless it's between 0 degrees and 4 degrees Celsius. This is because, unlike every other substance, ice is less dense than water. So when water is frozen, the molecules are more spread out, and so they're less dense. This is why ice floats in liquid water. But as you go past 0 degrees, the ice doesn't just turn into water all at once. It starts to kind of fall apart, and you've seen this in your drinks and things like that. The ice turns into smaller and smaller chunks. And what that means is that the water system that you have is bloated with this additional ice. And so it's more spread out. So even though it's warming, it's both expanding and contracting at the same time. The expansion comes from those molecules moving faster, just like everything else that warms up. But the contraction comes from the melting of the ice crystals. The ice takes up less and less space as it melts. And so the water actually reduces in volume. And so what that means is at 4 degrees Celsius, all of the ice is gone, and now you just have liquid water, and it expands just like everything else does. But you have a minimum volume of water at 4 degrees Celsius, when all of the ice is melted to liquid.